Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Dan's History Highway. Talking quite quickly today because I'm talking about roller coasters and emotional roller coasters and how you might use them in a history lesson, particularly about the gold rush and the 49ers, the ups and the downs of the life of an ordinary 49er. So I'm going to hold on to my hat because I think this thing's quite fast. Let's get ready to hit the History Highway. Here we go! Ah! Hey teachers, I'm Dan from Dan's History Highway, and today I want to show you a US history lesson that's got all the thrills of the opening to this video without any of the motion sickness, and hopefully it won't have you going around in circles like I was. Picture this: your students walk into class and instead of groaning at another textbook chapter, they're immediately hooked by a question. Which of these statements about the gold rush is completely fake? Boom, curiosity sparked. That's your bell ringer. Next, we zoom through the context with 7 lively slides of background context to enable teacher exposition, setting the scene for what life was really like for those heading west. But here's the part they'll never forget: the digital emotional roller coaster. After sorting through 24 events, which might be typical for a gold rush miner's daily grind, students use the digital drag and drop tool to map the emotional highs and the crushing lows of their life on an interactive rollercoaster chart. They'll move moments like striking gold or waking up very early into place to tell a narrative, and they'll feel that wild ride of uncertainty just like the real 49ers. This activity also builds historical empathy, helping students internalize the human experience behind the facts. It teaches chronology, decision-making, and perspective-taking all in one go. It's active learning that sticks. When students see and feel history play out emotionally, they're far more likely to remember it, reflect on it, and even debate it. And the best part, it's completely no prep. You get a printable version and a digital easel activity, perfect for blended or one-to-one classrooms. Just open the file and you're off to the races, or should I say the gold fields. Oh, and don't miss the final exit task. It involves a surprise gold candy simulation where there's lots of bits of tin foil around the class, some of which have got candy in, some haven't, where students experience how random and unfair the gold rush could be. Trust me, they'll be talking about it for days. So if you're ready to bring the gold rush to life in your classroom, you can grab this lesson from my Teachers Pay Teacher store, Dan's History Highway. The link is in the description below. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on the highway. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new lesson idea. Check out Dan's History Highway on Teachers Pay Teachers for discounted bundles, dollar deals, and tons of resources, all organised by topic in the toolbar on the left. The link's in the comments below, so go have a browse. See you next time, and keep bringing history to life in your classroom.